Hello, my name is Mina. This is Mina and this is Anđela. Today we talk about our favorite film, Rio. Rio is a good film because it's very funny and interesting. This film is about a bird that lives like ordinary people. They were the only species of bird. They went to Amazonia and meet their species of bird.
The birds are blue. They have got big and black beaks. They are big and beautiful kind of birds.
Jewel is the mother, Blue is the father, Pedro is Blue's best friend, it's a bird, Nigel is the antagonist, he evil and he tried to kill all birds. Linda is Blue's best pal and his owner. Tulio is a bird expert. Linda and Tulio are normal people. That's it. You should watch a film because it's interesting.